Hey guys, and welcome to Vlogmas day 20. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I got this look. I actually filmed this video before we had left to come here, but I did not like how it came out. It came out very half-assed, and that's not what I want to put out on my channel. So yeah, I refilmed it here, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I do like how the look came out. I feel like I look like a Bratz doll, like with the beret and everything. Yeah, I do have to stretch this beret out though, because it's kind of small. But yeah, enjoy. So I'm gonna dip into this color on a flat brush. Where did I put my flat brush?
Behind you, behind your Jiffy Pop.
What?
Behind your Jiffy Pop in the camera.
Alyssa's in here, guys. Can't really see her, but she, you know, she's right there. The blueprint for my. That's funny because it's blue.
Yeah, that's nice.
And now I'm taking the light blue shade right next to it to blend it out. And I'm taking a small fluffy brush. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease using a flat brush. Okay, now I'm taking, ooh, that shade is pretty. I should have used that. I'm about to use this shade because this shade is pretty. I'm gonna take some of the champagne-y gold shade and put that on top. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with some glitter, but before I do that, I'm gonna take my glitter primer from NYX and put some on the back of my hand. And I'm really using like that much. You see that little dot? That's it. And this glitter is from Crease Glam, and it's in the color Cotton Candy Flakes. Okay, I will be right back because I'm gonna wash my hands. And I'm gonna do my face off of camera because the focus was the eyes. So I will come back and we will finish the eyes. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below on some other makeup looks you would like to see, or just videos in general. Subscribe to my channel before you leave and become part of the True Beauty family. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!